How to say the French O. There are two kinds of French O. There's the O as in octobre and comme. Most Americans do not have trouble with this French O because in this French O, it's similar to the American vowel sound of ah, as in the ah in opera, octobre, comme, so it's ah sound. And since the ah sound exists in English, most Americans do not have trouble with this French O. The second kind of French O involves rounding your lips as you say the O sound as in hello. It is the second kind of French O that American speakers of French have the most trouble. The French O, where you round your lips, this sound does not exist in English, which is why this sound is difficult for American speakers of French. So to form the French O, say the word hello and stay on the O sound. Oh. Next, round your lips tightly as you say the French O. 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 This is the French O you hear in these French words. Mot, parole, hôpital, faux, chose, pot, gros, chaud. And so as I said these words, you round your lips as you say the O sound. Mot, parole, hôpital, faux, chose, pot, gros, chaud. This ends my video on how to say the French O.